This 2025 Jayco Eagle 321 RSTS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Dover, FL 33527 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Tampa. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, Slideout, and 81 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.